everybody, it's Ivy, and today we're going to be doing a hair video. I just got this wig, and this wig is from Xrsbeauty. This is their new clean lace and clean hairline body wave unit. This was the easiest wig to install, and I installed it glueless. This is 100% glueless. Glueless. This is how the wig comes to you directly out of your box. It's already pre-styled, it's already pre-plucked, it's already pre-bleached. Y'all, all I did was put this wig on and do the baby hairs, and look at this. Like, for this not to be any customizing, do y'all see? Let me come up. Do y'all see that lace? Ain't no ball cap, ain't no glue, ain't no gel, ain't no spray. This is it. I love this wig so much. It's so natural. It looks, you know, so me. It's gorgeous. I love it, y'all. This new clear lace with the clean hairline, like, it's so beginner friendly. I kind of messed up my baby hairs. It's just so beginner friendly. This is one of the easiest units I've ever installed. Like, I literally had to do no work. It took me 5 minutes to put this wig on. Like, this is definitely a put on and go. I love how the company literally sends everything already customized. Like, their lace is top notch. I don't think I've had any other lace that compares yet. So if you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you click the like button, you guys. It's free. It helps to keep my videos in the algorithm. It's gonna help YouTube to promote me, okay? So make sure you guys are hitting that like button. All right, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. As soon as you come in, hit the like button. It really helps out my channel and helps me grow. Okay. So this clear lace and clean hairline is something really unique. I'm gonna show you guys a few differences between the lace so you guys can kind of get the idea of what I'm talking about. So this right here is your traditional transparent lace. Okay, as you guys can see, good, but not that good. You gotta do a lot of customizing to transparent lace. And I know people are like, what is clear lace? What is clear lace? What is that? Clear lace is kind of like a, this is the clear lace. This is the XRS clear lace. As you guys can see, you can't see it. This is a lace that I think is better than your traditional HD lace. This lace literally melts on my skin. It's not even tacked down, and it literally melts on the skin. It's so seamless. I'll use my palm to show you guys a light skin tone. It's so seamless. You literally don't have to do anything. It's so seamless, and it's probably one of the easiest, most seamless lace I've ever worked with. And I've been doing hair a long time, you guys, since like 2009, 10. Like, I've been working with lace and hair for a long time. So yeah, you guys, I'm just gonna show you how I installed this my glueless way. If you're interested in seeing that, keep on watching. It's really easy, y'all. Watch. So I don't have any braids because I've been wearing my real hair. I can't do braids right now, but as you guys can see, my hair is stiff. Like, I need to redo my hair, so I was like, I need to put on a wig today. I honestly want my unit glueless. Like, I don't want to do no Got2b. I don't want to do none of that stuff. So if you guys are interested in this wig grip, I will have a link below. But the wig we're using is from Xrsbeauty, okay? So Xrsbeauty, their box comes with a lot of stuff. I have combs, clips. Inside my box, it also comes with these elastic bands, and I'm gonna show you how to use them today. And this is a lace frontal unit. On the inside, we have our lace, our tracks, combs, and the two tabs right here for the adjustable band. You basically clip it like this. You just go ahead and put it on the little, hook. And I really like this because it's made just like a bra. So you can adjust it and all of that good stuff. I got mine on the tightest one because my head is like a little peanut and I need all the security I can get. So everything is hooked together, and I'm gonna go ahead and pop my wig on. And I'm leaving my combs this time because I have hair, okay? I don't have any braids, so nothing should snag. Look at that hairline. Before I even cut my lace, everything is so seamless. I wish I had a bigger forehead so I don't have to you know, cut away so much of that detailing. But my forehead is tiny, you guys. I can't keep all the lace, so I'm gonna cut it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how I make everything look nice and seamless, okay? So after cutting the lace, it's looking really nice and seamless. Of course you can trim more off. Y'all see how seamless that is? Like, look how perfect that is. That's crazy. So now I'm just gonna cut my sideburns. I don't want to cut too much. I haven't done anything but cut off my lace. This clear lace is a beast. Just the way it blends and looks so natural is pretty amazing. Hair textures feel super soft. They really feel great. Like, it doesn't feel like your typical wigs. Like, they really feel like a good quality of hair. And before I do my little baby hair, I'm going to just part my hair in the middle, okay? I feel like a middle part shapes my face better. And I know I haven't used my backdrop, y'all, my plain white backdrop, in a long time. I think I'm gonna start back doing it like that. I really like how it makes the videos look nice and crisp, clean, kind of professional. Next thing we're gonna do is press out the area that's gonna be my part, and I'm using my EAP Heat blow dryer, and I'm just gonna smooth it with the dryer. So once you press it, it just looks like that, and all I'm gonna do is spray a little bit of water on it. Just to get everything nice and kind of like mold it down. While this dries, I'm just gonna go ahead and move to our baby hair, and I'll do my baby hair exactly the same. Even if I'm doing my wigs glueless, I do it the same. To do my baby hair, I only use the Edge Booster Gel, and what I like to do with this is I take a little edge brush, and I get a little bit of the gel, and then I like to pull out my own baby hair, and then I'm just gonna go like this. I'm gonna brush it down. And now we're gonna do this side. It's okay, you guys, if it looks like too much hair. I do this method so I can see exactly how my baby hairs look. So I kind of like how that looks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and start cutting. And then I just go back and remold that. Okay, you guys, so that's pretty much it to install the glueless unit. You put it in, you do your baby hairs, and you go. This is the length of the unit, and it's literally the cutest thing ever. I love the length. It's so pretty. This is definitely a put on and go type of unit. I really love this body wave texture. Hairline is bananas. Like, it looks so good. It's crazy it looks this good, and I didn't do any customizing to it. You guys saw exactly what I did. So that's how fast and easy it is to wear these units. And you guys saw I didn't glue it down. As you guys can see, it's 100% glueless, okay? You can put more baby hairs if you want, but I just wanted to keep the baby hairs very minimal. I didn't want a lot of them at all. If you guys are interested, this unit will be linked below. It's just so good, you guys. I love this clear lace. And I've never had my wigs in without braids. Why they lay flat like that? Why you ain't tell me them wigs was flat like that without braids? So yeah, you guys, everything I used in today's video will be linked below. This unit from Xrsbeauty will also be linked below. You guys definitely check them out. They have awesome wigs. I definitely put my stamp of approval on their wig just for quality and how easy I was able to put it on. It's definitely beginner friendly, okay? So if you've never tried a lace front, I would definitely suggest this clear lace from Xrsbeauty. So soft, so bouncy, and just so full, as you guys can see. Very full. The wig isn't skimpy. The hair is a beautiful color. I didn't color this hair. This is how it came out of the box. I just love it. It looks so good, you guys. So pretty. I can't believe I didn't glue it and it looks that good. So if you guys are interested, the hair will be linked below from Xrsbeauty, and also everything I used from today's video, it'll be linked below. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Make sure you like that video, hit that bell icon so you're notified every time I post a video, and I will see you guys on the next one.